Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. Today we are flying to Orlando. I'm going to join my ship in Port Canaveral. I've been to Port Canaveral once before, but that was way back when I joined a cruise ship for a cruise because I said to my parents, I think I want to work on cruise ships. So they were like, well, I guess we need to go on a cruise then. Joined Carnival Sunshine back in maybe 2013 in Port Canaveral, so it's been a while. And I know, because I said to you guys that I was going to be in the Bahamas for a month, and I realised that the way I have posted videos on YouTube, it makes it look like I've only been in Nassau for 2 weeks. So I have been here for a month, but to be honest, I thought that there would be a lot more vlogging opportunities. However, I am staying on the eastern side of the island, and the western side is where people go on holiday to the Bahamas, and the eastern side is more where the locals live. So it's a little bit run down, and I am actually staying in a gated community, so I am perfectly safe. However, I've been told, do not leave this gated community, it's not safe. Basically, unless you're in a car, don't just leave and walk around. Consequently, I haven't really been anywhere because I don't have access to a car. To go to and from work, I've been having lifts with some of the guys I work with, which has been amazing, and I'm so grateful for that. And to be honest, they've been wonderful, and if they're going out with their family, they've taken me with their family to the cinema, and I went to one of their son's birthdays. So I have done some things, but obviously they're family events, and I didn't feel like I could whip a camera out at a family event, which I'm so lucky to have been invited to anyway. When you feel grateful that they've invited you anyway, you do what you can to fit in and make a good impression. I wasn't just gonna start being like, hey guys. So although I have done some lovely things while I've been in the Bahamas, they haven't been vlog worthy. It just hasn't been the right environment to vlog in. But I thought I was gonna be able to do a few little things and vlog. I was planning to go swimming with the pigs and maybe do a little visit to Atlantis. They've got one here in Nassau, the same one they've got in Dubai. But the Bahamas is expensive, astronomical. I, again, maybe stupid, but was astounded at the price of everything, everything. So when I looked at swimming with the pigs, getting a taxi there, paying for the excursion, all of that, it was going to be $500, $600. And I was like, ooh. Which isn't a ridiculous price for the tour. It is a once in a lifetime thing, and it is something that you can only do in Nassau. But I'm not on a ship yet, so I have to be careful with what I'm spending. And swimming with the pigs isn't being careful with what I'm spending. Yeah, so I'm sorry, but there has been no vlogs while in Nassau, and there will be no vlogs because I'm leaving today. So I have a flight to Miami first, and then a flight from Miami to Orlando. You guys will know that if you're getting flights with cruise ship companies, they will very rarely book you a direct flight. But I have been praying for a smooth journey, no stress, no baggage issues, no delays. I just want it all to go smoothly, I'm feeling pretty relaxed about it though. But I just wanted to say thank you for all of your just wonderfulness. Every video I've posted while I've been here, the comments have just been lovely, especially on the first video I posted, which was telling you what I was going to be doing, and then again when I told you cruise line had changed, and yeah, just thank you for being so wonderful. Every video I post and then go through the comments, I'm always how have I got this lucky to have this community with you guys, because you're just great. So thank you so much. But yeah, I am going to finish packing the last little bits, and then my taxi should be here in an hour or so.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh,
Taxi's here.
I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up. Yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart.
I've got about an hour before I need to start getting on the flight. I will say though, that took ages, because you come in, you obviously have to check your bags in, then you have to go through security, but then you have to go through US immigration. But I think the point is that when I get to Miami, I can just skip US immigration because I've already done it this side. So I'm glad I came early to the airport, because it took about 2 hours to get to this point.
That night, should have known you were something that would mess with my mind.
Okay, so I've just landed in Miami airport, and it looks like this is going to be a lot more successful than last time, because like last time I had to go through immigration, and then even though I had a connection, I ended up at like the start of the airport, whereas this time I've got off in departures. So I've just found my gate, which is great. And now I have 3 hours to just kill time, which was amazing, because I thought, oh, 3 hours is going to be just enough time to like make it through the chaos if it's anything like last time. But so far so good. It looks like going through American immigration in the Bahamas meant that we could skip it this side, which I'm very happy about. So I'm going to have a little mooch around, and maybe this stop is going to make me like Miami airport. Basically just got like a cheese toasty but on Cuban bread, and I'm so excited.
You're the one to be honest, yeah. 'Cause you can handle emotions. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No.
Oh yeah, look at the got a catch area. Nice. Oh. There. Nice big shower. Woohoo! Okay, so I've just left the hotel and I'm just looking for some dinner. It's about 7:30 in the evening, so you know me, if I sit down I won't leave the hotel room, so I thought, right, I'm gonna go and get something to eat before I leave the room. Before I get comfortable. See, I'm already I was going to go to Denny's because I've always heard about Denny's but never been, However, there was a guy who picked me up in a little shuttle. He works for the hotel, and he said that this is better than Denny's. So I'm going to try it. Rock and Brews. It looks like the most American restaurant ever, and I am here for it.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.
Okay, so I am back in the room. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. So I'm gonna have a shower, and you know what? I'm gonna go to bed. It's 10 o'clock. I'm stuffed, and I'm gonna get an early night, and then I can't think straight. So I will talk to you. Good morning, guys. So today is the day that I'm joining my new cruise ship. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Had a wonderful sleep last night in that bed. It was absolutely bliss, and I'm feeling wide awake and raring to go this morning. I'm going to go downstairs, take my luggage down, and wait for the shuttle that is going to take me to the cruise ship. Now normally I would obviously vlog embarkation day, I would vlog moving into my cabin and all of that good stuff. However, this is going to be the last vlog for a while because, as I've mentioned, but just in case you missed it, the cruise line that I am going on next is not happy with YouTube or a crew member having a YouTube channel, so I will continue posting twice a week, but they're not going to be vlogs. I'm not going to be getting personal or divulging any information. So yeah, for the foreseeable future, it's just going to be general advice videos that I posted on Cruising as Crew back when I first started. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed it. Last one for a while, but I will see you in a few days with my next video, and I will let you know how I'm getting on in the beginning, and then I'll get into, you know, into the video. I think that is it for this video. I have to go and get the minibus. I do not want to be late on my first day. Have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do. Wish me luck, and I will see you in the next video, and I'll let you know how today went.